Mommy thinks it's cool she got to see it, but Daddy'd like to see it too. Yeah. You gotta arch that back. Yeah. Oh. Get my hands out. Yeah, you're pulling too. Yes, you are. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Here you go. Yeah, you're crying. That scares Mommy. There you go. Your head's gonna hit the wall, son. That's it. Can't go no further. And 3 months and 3 weeks old, and I've learned to crawl. I don't realize when there's things in my way. Yeah.
You can talk to him.
Aiden, are you gonna crawl? Vic, you wanna come see Butterbug? Come see the Butterbug. Come see him. You're staring at him a lot. Yeah. 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 Oh, your head's out of the way. Oh.
He's learning to ooch. Ooch in his way. Like, okay, I tired myself out. That took a lot out of me. That was so cute.